Hi, instead of an advent calendar, well, apart from cohorted, which I bought a Pat McGrath palette. This one is the Utopian Dream, it is called. And it has a gorgeous multi-chrome eyeshadow, which is what I am wearing right now. I don't know if you can see, it goes from rose gold to green, people. The shade is called Blitz Sextreme. And I bought this palette because of all the gorgeous purples and this multi-chrome color. And you know that I am a sucker for multi-chrome. So this year's advent calendars, I think, apart from 2 or 3, I'll do a ranking video very, very shortly. So stay tuned for that. Apart from 2 or 3 exceptions, I think they've been very, very, very particularly lackluster this year. So I wasn't actually going to do a spoof video on my Nightmare Advent calendar, which I have done for a couple of years now. Because, I was a bit, my Grams, it's been 3 months now since he died, and I thought, I really didn't feel like laughing so much or making other people laugh so much, not this year. I don't really feel like having so much fun on camera this year, not this year. Or, letting everybody else, watch me having fun either, not this year. So I wasn't going to do it at first. And then the calendars grew progressively worse. And I thought, oh my God, there are certain things that have to be repeated from previous Nightmare Advent calendars, yes, but there are certain new things which I need to include and show everybody. So, same box, recycled packaging and everything, 2022's Nightmare Advent calendar. This is a spoof video, people. Like this channel, it is just intended for a lark. So don't take it seriously. It's not available for purchase or anything. I don't make any money from this Advent calendar or this channel, believe me. Last time I checked, that was earlier this month, I'd made £14.62 or so affiliate money through the entire year. I mean, obviously, I tell you people not to buy Advent calendars. Of course, this isn't going to be any affiliate money. I do this to unwind. I do this to de-stress and to distract from all the stress of everyday life and all the news and everything that's happening out there in the world. I don't make anything out of this channel. Honestly, basically what I intend with this, for those of you who are watching a spoof Advent calendar video for the first time, is to show you how absurd this year's curations are, to sort of reflect on this year's curations in general. I know there may be some curations which are very good this year, but for the most part, this spoof video intends to reflect on those poor curations. So, off with the lid. And let's start unboxing the first product. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. There was just the one box, the one Advent calendar, which had the sense to send out the newly launched Beija Flow, and even that was 75 mils. This is 25. Teeny tiny, teeny tiny. So that is product number 1. 2. Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. I would like it if it was, not this size. Somebody sent this product out this year. I've forgotten who it was. Somebody actually sent out Cetaphil Cleanser in a very tiny mini size. So here we are. That is 2. 3. Benefit Their Real Mascara. Pretty much everybody on earth has sent out a mini Benefit mascara this year in their Advent calendar, so I had to pop it in. 4. Tweezers. Legitimate, genuine, authentic tweezers, people. Net-a-Porter had the goal to send out tweezers in their Advent calendar. They also sent out eyelash colors, but I can't find the only eyelash colors that I have. So, it's got to be tweezers for you lot this year. Now, let's see where 5 is in this mess. 5. Charlotte Tilbury Miniature Lipstick. Practically inhalable size there. In Pillow Talk. Because everybody's been sending out Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk or Pillow Talk Medium. I am wearing Glowing Gin right now. Surely they could have sent out Glowing Gin. Glowing Gin is quite decent. So, I would have preferred getting Glowing Gin over Pillow Talk and Pillow Talk Medium. 6. Sunday Riley, good genes, lactic acid treatment. The thing is, I was actually going to include Sunday Riley CEO serum because everybody's been including Sunday Riley CEO this year, but I couldn't find it in my stash, so it had to be the lactic acid treatment. 7, a nail file, and it's actually got butterflies on it. See, a nail file. Full-sized, my friends. So generous. 8. Paula's Choice, 2% BHA. This one has been practically in every other advent calendar this year, so it's got to be here, right? 9 is very generous. In number 9, you get 2 products. Maison Francis Courchot, Baccarat Rouge, 540, and the extract. Yet 2 samples. Indie perfumes. 2 of them. Yeah, I don't mind Baccarat Rouge now, but I still think I wouldn't buy the full size because I think there's too much going on. It's kind of overkill for me. And a while later, I begin to want to puke. A while later, a bit nauseous. Sorry for doing that on camera. So I won't be buying the full sizes, but yeah, at least now I know what it smells like. Currently, Manchera Instant Crush is a bit of a dupe for this, but I prefer Manchera Instant Crush to this one. Even so, I wouldn't buy Manchera full sized either because, again, there's too much going on for my liking, and I like my feminine perfumes, powdery. Think, Guerlain Ancelons or Guerlain L'air Blue, or, very, very feminine ones that scream woman with a handbag going about her business, such as Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel, that's another favorite of mine, or Miss Dior, or Chanel Gabriel or Coco. So those sort of fragrances are more up my alley than these. It's why I don't love indies, because I feel there's too much going on. There's a bit of overkill there. Yeah, so anyway, see, this calendar includes Maison Francis Courchot. Imagine. So the net worth of this advent calendar would be ginormous because of Maison Francis Courchot. Now that was number 9. Let's see what's inside number 10. Iconic London Original Illuminator. That I don't think was full-sized. Hang on, I have the full size on it. Yeah, this is full size. This is what is sent in my Spoof Nightmare Advent Calendar, people. The same thing. Yeah, hang on, I'll open both the bottles, the boxes, so you can see. Oh dear. Full size, mini. Most Advent calendars this year have sent out miniatures, more miniatures than full sizes. Very few Advent calendars this year have sent out a generous number of full sizes, so I'm not happy. And this Nightmare calendar has to reflect what's happening, So number 11, the Van Cleef and Arpels Collection Extraordinaire set of perfumes. Yeah, this is intended to mimic those floral street sets that we've seen quite a few of in Advent calendars. Yeah, so as a result of all the perfumes, the Advent calendar will not ship worldwide. Anyway, the point that I was trying to make is we're getting so many things that you get free. That thing that I showed you, I got free. Yeah, I absolutely got free. So let's see what number 12 has. Number 12 is going to be everybody's favorite. Stay tuned, hold your breath, because it is a full-size product. And yeah, this is so precious, everybody, because it costs £45. A gua sha stone. If you still haven't recognized it. I don't know what we can use this for. Maybe, to play hopscotch or something. Yeah, hopscotch. Number 13, which is not a very lucky number. But this time we are getting a very expensive brand. No, not Barbara Sturm, even better, because I can't find my darn Barbara Sturm samples, the ones that I do have around. Oh yes, it does exist. I'm happy to confirm that this product exists. This is Creme de la Mer, even better, La Mer, people, La Mer, Creme de la Mer. Oh my god, so much expensive skincare. I highly recommend not keeping this sample too close to your face because you might accidentally swallow it or inhale it or something that tiny. Number 14, everybody loves this product. We've seen so many of it. Kate Somerville Exfoliate, 15 mils, full size is 60 mils. Oh my god, I've lost count of the advent calendars that have sent this thing out this year. And you know, Kate Somerville has so many other products. Why not sell one of those? Why does it always have to be this one? That's what I want. Number 15. Full-sized, absolutely. Now, we've seen other brands this year, not this particular brand, but we have seen quite a few black eyeliners, and this Spoof Advent Calendar intends to sort of mimic that. The one that I do have here is, of course, Ico I Do Eyeliner. We've seen other brands this year, not just Ico, but we've seen quite a few black eyeliners. This is a staple in everybody's routine, and we all have enough of this in us. Just send us something exciting. Oh my God. You may have noticed that in the early part of this Advent Calendar's unboxing, I lacked a bit of energy. That was because I was awaiting a phone call. That's over now. So yeah, I'm back to spoofing this to my heart's content. Number 16. Lancome Genifique Advanced Serum. Yeah, we've seen quite a few Lancome Genifique serums this year in Advent Calendars. 7 mils, people. That is why I had to include it this year. Every year, you know, I try to make my Spoof Advent Calendar as mimicky, as close to what the vast majority of Advent calendars are for that year. So you might want to watch my previous spoof videos. I warn you though, there will be repeats. There will be repeats. So let's see what number 17 has. Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Bath and Shower Gel. Everybody and their uncle has been sending out Aromatherapy Associates Bath and Shower Gel. And I am not, I don't know, it's alright if I have a cold, otherwise I'm not happy with it. Number 18. I'm not going to tell you what the product is. I'm just going to show you the bottle, and you have to tell me what it is. That is your homework. Comment below. Tell me what this thing is. Dear God. You might notice that mine is actually empty, not because I used it up. I am in the process of doing so, but because I filmed another video where I priced out the product and become very, very shocked by what I found inside. Somebody named Dana told me to do it, so I did it on camera, mind you, on camera. And there's a whole video there with whatever I find, and I've even got miniature weighing scales, you know, that you used to weigh coins and stuff. So I bought one from Amazon, and I'm weighing this thing on camera and seeing if it is indeed 15 mils, which is the discovery size. So all that will come, I think, maybe within the next 4 or 5 videos after empties and things. So stay tuned for that. So this is the next product. Yeah, number 17. No, number 18. Sorry, number 18. Everybody's favorite. Number 19. Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. This isn't reflective of this year's Advent calendars, I know. But the point is, we're getting so many tiny little minis. So I had to sorry, I'll put this away. I had to, you know, show you the kind of absurdity. You get this bloody free. You go to the Clinique counter, talk to them for a while, and they give you that, you know, 3-step thingy sample set. And maybe you buy, I don't know, a hand wash or something. And then you get this free. And Advent calendars are charging in excess of £200 and sending us this. Number 20, which actually looks a bit more promising than previous offerings. That is a full-sized MAC lipstick. Yeah, a number of brands this year have sent out full-sized MAC lipsticks, and I like that. Yeah, so you know, spoof video, all right, yes, but it's got to reflect on reality of what we are seeing in Advent calendar. So yeah, this had to be included, people. So that's around 22-ish quid. 21. The umpteenth acid product or exfoliating product in this Advent calendar. Ren, ready? Go on, you complete it. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you what this is. If you don't know what this is, then you need to be more familiar with Advent calendars or beauty boxes or gifts with badges and so on. Yeah, the reason I'm wrapping all this up is that I've got to go back and write down everything I showed you this year so that I don't accidentally repeat stuff next year. 23, people, is a makeup removing makeup eraser from Magnitone. Yeah, I'm not making this up. This is the Magnitone makeup removing cloth. I tried using this a couple of times. It didn't work for me. Double cleansing works better, and I highly do not recommend this sort of thing. I prefer double cleansing, and I would recommend double cleansing to anybody with any kind of problematic skin. This might work if you like to try a gimmick or something, but otherwise no. I was in a quandary over number 22. What happened was I wanted to include supplements as well as whatever's inside this thing, but you know, there really wasn't space for both. And you know, supplements, Cult Beauty and Selfridges have sent out supplements. More people have sent this out, so this got the nod. What is it? Neon scented candle, completely empty, all gone. There's just a bit of powder left. Yeah, neon scented candle, people. People are sending out neon scented candles this year. That's good. So this isn't a bad product again. So I had to include it because, you know, whatever is in here has to reflect on whatever advent calendars are really doing this year. Confession, one product I changed during filming right now. I accidentally packed the Olaplex number 6. Everybody's been sending out Olaplex number 3, and this is number 6, as you can see that. So yeah, I was about to say Olaplex number 3, and yeah, oh my god, that's number 6 happened on camera. So I will have to edit that out while editing this video. And yeah, sorry, so no Olaplex number 3 in here because I completely, you know, packed the wrong product. 24. Wash bag, pouch, whatever you want to call it. Empty. Nothing inside. With a zip makeup pouch. Lastly, number 25, because this and Beta will want us even after we are no more on this planet. Naz, please continue. Yes, I'm not going to tell you what it is. 2 products I missed including this year because, you know, there really wasn't space for everything. The first one is the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. In fairness, you know, everybody's been sending out the Neon Deep Sleep Pillow Mist or Sleep Spray. I don't have the Neon Pillow Spray. I only have This Works. So I wanted to include one pillow spray since everybody was sending it out. But there was no space. I'll add that in next year. The other thing, because the lovely Look Fantastic Beauty Chest decided to, you know, serve us, or, you know, bless us or grace us with a tooth whitening pen. Here is a tooth whitening pen. Yeah, so those are 2 products that almost got a look in, but will get a look in probably next year. I also wanted to include a makeup sponge, but that was there last year and I don't want to repeat so close. Also missing our under eye patches, which we are so sick of seeing. I must remember to change the gua sha stone over to a jade roller next year, because, you know, poor jade roller, it feels so left out, I tell you. So there's 25 products that I've included in this year's Nightmare Advent Calendar. Let me put all those away so that there's, oopsie, enough for next year as well. It will be the same box and the same things because, you know, that's what Advent calendars are doing to us as well. So that was fun, although, you know, I wasn't as energetic in the, you know, early part of that video. Possibly, you know, because I was, you know, waiting for a phone call. And yeah, that's sorted. No, it's my grandma's test results, you know, everything's fine, everything's normal. Platelet count is a bit high. Apparently, she had her annual checkup done. Apparently, you know, that needs to be sorted because, you know, it comes with an increased risk of blood clots and she already has blood pressure, hypertension. So yeah, I was a bit in the early part of this video, sorry. But I had fun. I hope you had fun too, particularly with this butterfly nail files. You know, that's an important feature, having butterflies. So, thank you for watching this video. Please tell me what you think. And I hope you guessed the products where I didn't mention names. I hope you better have, you know, if you're watching this channel, you'd better have guessed those products' names. So please do give me a thumbs up, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.